Our story begins billions of years ago, long before our sun or Earth existed. Imagine a vast cloud of gas and dust, a cosmic nursery floating in the darkness of space. This is the solar nebula, the birthplace of our solar system. It's a chaotic jumble of particles, remnants of old stars that have long since faded. This cloud wasn't sitting still. It swirled and danced, tugged by the forces of gravity and stirred by the echoes of ancient stellar explosions. These particles, the building blocks of planets and stars, were the ingredients from which our solar system would eventually arise. It's hard to overstate just how vast this cloud was. Imagine stretching your arms out wide. That's a tiny fraction of the size of our early solar system. And within this swirling cloud, something incredible was about to happen. Gravity is the invisible sculptor of the cosmos, pulling matter together and shaping the universe as we know it. In the swirling chaos of the solar nebula, gravity began to exert its influence. As the cloud spun, tiny particles collided and stuck together. These clumps grew larger, their gravitational pull intensifying with their size. Like a snowball rolling down a hill, the process accelerated. What began as a gentle attraction grew into an irresistible force. Over millions of years this cosmic ballet continued. The cloud contracted, the center growing denser and hotter. At the heart of the collapsing cloud, pressure and temperature soared. The hydrogen atoms, once drifting freely, were now crammed together with unimaginable force. This intense pressure triggered a nuclear reaction. The heart of the cloud ignited. A star, our sun, was born. This wasn't a sudden explosion but a gradual process of heating and compression. As the sun blazed to life, it bathed the surrounding disk of dust and gas in light and heat. While the sun blazed at the center, the remaining material from the solar nebula continued to swirl around it. This material, mostly gas and dust, formed a vast disk, much like a cosmic pizza crust. But this was no ordinary crust. It was a swirling, chaotic disk, constantly bombarded by radiation and particles from the newborn sun. Within this disk, the seeds of planets began to form. Tiny grains of dust, nudged by electrostatic forces, stuck together. As these clumps grew larger, their gravity attracted more material. Section 5. A Rain of Rock and Ice. The Early Solar System. The early solar system was a violent and chaotic place. Imagine a cosmic shooting gallery, with rocks and ice hurtling through space at incredible speeds. This was no place for the faint of heart. Collisions were commonplace. Some were glancing blows, while others were catastrophic impacts that shattered nascent planets into countless pieces. It was a cosmic demolition derby, with only the strongest surviving. But from this chaos, order began to emerge. Section 6. Gas giants emerge. Jupiter and Saturn take shape. Farther out from the sun, in the colder reaches of the disk, something remarkable was happening. Here, vast amounts of gas, mainly hydrogen and helium, lingered. The immense gravity of these growing giants acted like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, drawing in vast amounts of gas and dust. This is how Jupiter and Saturn, the largest planets in our solar system, came to be. They became the guardians of the outer solar system, their powerful gravity shaping the orbits of comets and asteroids. Section 7. The asteroid belt leftovers from a cosmic feast. Between Mars and Jupiter lies a region populated by millions of rocky bodies, ranging in size from pebbles to small planets. This is the asteroid belt, a cosmic graveyard of sorts, littered with the remnants of planet formation. These asteroids are leftovers, the bits and pieces that never quite managed to clump together to form a planet. Jupiter's immense gravity acted like a cosmic shepherd, preventing these asteroids from coalescing into a larger body. Section 8. Comets, frozen messengers from the solar system's edge. Even farther out, beyond the orbit of Neptune, lies a region of icy bodies known as the Kuiper Belt. This is the realm of comets, those icy wanderers that occasionally grace our skies with their brilliant tails. Comets are time capsules, frozen remnants from the earliest days of the solar system. Trapped within their icy hearts are clues to the composition of the solar nebula, the raw materials from which our solar system was born. Section 9. A solar system in motion. A never-ending dance. Our solar system isn't static, it's a dynamic, ever-changing place. The planets, moons, asteroids, and comets are all engaged in a delicate gravitational dance, their orbits intertwined in a complex cosmic ballet. The story of our solar system isn't over, it's still unfolding. Collisions still happen, albeit less frequently than in the early days. Planets continue to evolve, their atmospheres and surfaces shaped by internal forces and external influences.